Yo, welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Right now, I have Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. This vehicle has a problem with dashboard lights, ABS, and off-road light with check engine. Those three lights. So I'm going to use my ThinkSafe machine. I've already connected using my smartphone. I'm going to scan this vehicle to identify the main fault code which is affecting the ABS, check engine, and off-road lights on the dashboard. So I'm going to scan using my phone like that. If you are interested with this machine, ThinkSafe machine, let me know in the comment section. It's around $150 shillings. This is the main fault code. Let me show you. Is C1425 open in stop switch circuit, and is followed by, let me show you, C1380 stop light switch relay malfunction. Those are the main two fault codes. So those two main fault code are the one causing C1201, which is engine EV control system malfunctions. So those are the main fault code. And before we do anything, we are going straight to the Google. We are going to Google those codes to find out more information about those codes and how to solve those fault code. The C1425 code means there is a problem with the open circuit in the stop line switch that affects the steering control module of this vehicle. So we are going to confirm if there is any blown fuses. If all fuses are okay, the main culprit is open in stop line switch circuit, meaning there is a problem with the brake light switch. That is the main culprit. So what I'm going to do, for more information, common symptoms are brake lights not working. By the way, the brakes are working, but there is brake lights signals on the dashboard, so meaning the fuses are okay. The cruise control not functioning. Cruise control cannot function when there is that code. So the main thing, we are going straight to the brake switch. This is the brake switch I'm talking about, and if you look careful, someone tried to repair it, but I'm going to replace with a new brake switch. This is the new brake switch I'm talking about. After swapping the brake switch, we need to clear the code. Then let's test. So everything is working perfect. No any lights on the dashboard. So the vehicle is working perfect. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.